stretch down and up. That a girl. A little bit more power, just a touch. That's right. That's right. Good. Not so far ahead of him. 10 feet in front of him. 3 meters. That a girl. Now you're more connected. And add a little leg. Ride him up the hill. A little bit more. Yeah. That a girl. That's it. And supple it. Good boy. Good girl. And little supple if you can. Help him with the outside rein and leg. That a girl. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1. Woo. Ah, good boy. Good girl. Oh, I love this. I love that. I love that. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Right up the hill. Tall through your core. Tall through your torso. Nice. Good girl. 2 and stretching up and shoulders are back and down. And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. Come around and do that again. Why did that happen, do you suppose?
Because
the canter was A, too strong, or B, too weak.
Too weak?
Yep. So it doesn't have the gun, but it's just powerful with elasticity and suppling. Powerful with elasticity. That's it. Good girl, and supple and supple and supple and supple. So, go one more time. See if you can keep that power. Try not to lose it on the corner. So think about the rhythm you got and maintain the rhythm and maintain the rhythm. Don't let him speed up.